the weightlifting champion challenge. Pretty much we have a weightlifter. We have different things for him to lift on. This one is the one for sale at my shop. So I want to show you how you can actually go ahead and create your own version of this. Just pick one of them, it's right here, and we're gonna disassemble and create one just for you. It is primarily made out of very simple pieces. So let's break this up first and make it right back in. Most important part is this one right here. You can see one already made. You have to make it on both sides, the same exact thing here. And in the middle, it's actually the weight bar. I change it because it makes it more interesting. Then add this to it on both sides, just like that. And now let's make this seam here on the back, just like this. Very simple construction to this, nothing to really do here. You can see I messed up here. There we go. Sometimes it doesn't stick together, so we have to move this rail up. Put the minifigure in. And that is the final test. He's able to lift this. And it's working. Oh, there we go. Quality control inspector just passed it. And we are done. Of course, there's many different variations that you can do this as well. It just shows you how it actually looks like with the different variations to it.